Hey everybody, welcome to Dumb Investing, the dumbest investing channel all YouTube's. It's about to get dumb up in here. So who are we? We're missing Harry tonight, but we are two dummies who roll random dice. We pick random stocks. We do that 3 times a night, and then the next day we go out and we spend our hard-earned retirement money and we buy some stocks. We've been doing it for 141 episodes now. So what do we do then? Then we take a look at a portfolio that we built with a bunch of random stocks that we picked rolling dice. And we're dumb. I mean, it's as dumb as can be. And yeah, that's what we do. Let's go roll some dice. What the heck? All right, here's how we do it. Go out here to random.org, grab a dice roll. And it says 6. Go to random stock picker 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not selling any of these stocks. We're just 2 guys having fun. Back. I think we've had this one. I think we owned this one prior. All right. Roll again. 1. Then we get a 5. We go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. FFEB. FFEB. Last roll of the night. We do this 3 times. We get a 1. Hot diggity dog. We go over here. Random stock picker once. FLMN. FLMN. Now, if Harry was here, he'd be using Webull to do research on these stocks. Since he's not, I'll be using Yahoo. Speaking of Webull, if you follow the link in the description below and you deposit $100, they will give you 2 free stocks, and you're an investor just like that. Let's go out to Yahoo and find out what we can see about these companies. All right, FLMN is Falcon Minerals Corporation. Hey, they had a down day today. That's amazing. I think every stock in the world had a down day today. Today was a horrible day. Let's see about these guys, how they've been doing. Well, they've been around since 17, and they've lost about half of their share value. They've got decent volume. They're trading 600,000 a day, which means it should be fairly easy to buy and sell. When you have very low volume, it makes it very hard to buy and sell. And these guys experienced an awesome dip at COVID, and it just kept going and going and going for almost the whole year. Damn near. They've come back a little bit. Let's see who they are and what Falcon Metals is all about. So Falcon Metals, let's see here. What do they do? Minerals, royalty, and overriding royalty interest in oil and natural gas properties in North America. Yeah, hey, how's natural gas going? Ask somebody who owns Boyle. What are we down now? Anybody out there own it? Oh yeah, that's right, I do. It's down like 40% last 4 days. It's not good. So do we have an opportunity here to maybe buy the dip? Harry would be shaking his head right now because he thinks I'm an idiot. But we may. Yeah, check that out. A couple of days ago, they were at 511. They're at 445 now. Down, what, 20%? Woo! I don't know. Buy the dip. Are they making any money? They're actually making a little bit of money. How crazy is that? This is owning royalties and stuff like that, and how they return money to shareholders. Sometimes there's a lot of games that are played as far as how the equity is moved around and how it comes in, how it comes out. So this can be very misleading. You know, the fact that they had $1 million of revenue and they had 117 million in earnings. You know, there's a lot of stuff that could be deferred and come back. They could have sold property, and you know, it's nuts. So at least they're positive. I mean, that's the good thing to see here, is that they're positive. So that's good. Do we have an opportunity to buy the dip? Absolutely. I mean, today they were down 5% today. Man, if they just gap up tomorrow to normal, I mean, yeah. Do I wish we could have bought them tonight after hours? I sure do. Because are they going to gap up tomorrow? They might gap that, at least half of that. So far, this is one I would put my money on, but we'll see what the other 2 are. I know Harry is rolling over right now, just saying, don't do it. Don't do it. FFEB. Oh man, this is another one. A lot of letters. I don't mean. FT, CBOE, Vest US Equity Buffer ETF, February. See, I have no idea what that means, but man, did they have a bad day today too? Just like everybody else, man. It's been a horrible couple. Man, look at the volatility. These guys are all over the map. Holy cow. But very small range of that volatility, 30 cents. Yeah, 20 cents. I mean, it looks horrible on the chart, but it's not doing anything. Buffer. I wonder what they're buffering. What does that even mean? So they're buying SPY calls and puts. So they've got most of it. I don't know how they're doing. What are they doing? Provide returns that match the price return of the ETF trust. I don't. That looks like, who knows? Doesn't look fun for us. This should be the Bank of America. Yeah. See, we owned Bank of America back when we originally started the show. And so I can't remember how they did for us. Yeah, how you guys doing, Bank of America? Wow. Wow, look at them bounce back after COVID. So if you say before COVID, right about here, they had a pretty, I mean, they bounced around for what? 17, 2 years. They didn't, I mean, they went up and down, day trader's dream, right? But man, after COVID, they just exploded. And we probably got into them. We get into them. Probably back around here. Probably sold it around here. Yeah, that's exactly. I think we lost money on this one. If you want to find out for sure, I could do that right now. There's a link down below to our spreadsheet. Full transparency, every trade we've ever done is down there. I don't know if we want to do this one again. I'm going with that first one. We're going to buy some guys buy royalties. Okay, cool. So FLMN is what we will be purchasing tomorrow. Let's go take a look and see how our portfolio did. On a personal note, today was one of the worst days I have ever had personally, and let's see how we are doing. So let's see, here's our watch list. Oh my gosh, we actually have some greens. I was actually surprised that we have greens. So we've got Federal Signal up 1.39. Park City Group is up almost 1%. VTV almost 1%. iShares Global. You notice, guys, these are not ones that we see normally. These are not our normal guys that are up here at the top of our list. And look at all the red that we have. Holy cow, man. And that, I mean, most of the markets today was a horrible day. San Juan Basin, they were in our bottom 5 yesterday, bottom 5 again today. Centennial down 7%. Ideomics, they've been hugging that bottom 5, right? Down another 7%. Good on you guys. The Russell down 7%. Oh yeah, we knew that was happening. Fuel Tech down almost 7%. Mag Silver. I don't know why Mag Silver's down. Green Lane Holdings, we doubled down. A lot of downs. I mean, yeah, it's one of those days. So how bad? It looks like it's a pretty ugly day. How ugly? Oops, what is that? Let's try here. Down $21 today. That's probably the third worst day that we've ever had. The nice thing to see, I mean, if it is nice, the light blue over here is the Dow, and the dark blue is us, and we've done better than the Dow for the last couple of days. So, yay for dumb investing. But man, that's ugly. Our top 5, holy cow. We used to talk about our top 5 in the 27, 28, 29% range. We were talking about, when should we be taking profits? We should probably draw a line in the sand and say we take profits at 25, because we've lost almost 20% on Worry Bank. We've lost 25% on Park City. We're damn near at zero. And when you take into all our reds, I mean, what a brutal last 10 days for us. Man, horrible. Let's see how bad is bad. Oh, yeah. So we've got BurgerFi hugging that worst, biggest loser, 37%. Good on y'all. The Brazilian Bull hanging right down there, 37%. Ideomics, way to go, fellas. You guys are rocking it. Green Lane and Butterfly, we doubled down on both of those when they had bad days. We believed in them. Yeah. And how'd that work out? This is atrocious. This is kind of embarrassing. But, the whole market's down. Everything sucks right now. We need some Santa rally to kick in. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Pretty ugly day. We're down 9% of the stuff we're holding. We still have a bunch of cash. The investor in me says we ought to flip all that, buy the dip, spend it all. But it wouldn't be a real fun show if we ran out of money. So we'll be back again tomorrow night. We'll do this all again. We might do a little market commentary, see what Harry's take is on the market and what has happened and why there's so much red. Hopefully tomorrow's green day. We'll have some fun stuff to talk about. We don't have all these red bars up here just plugging my mind. Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a great night.